evening from London. The FTSE All-Share has got off to a strong start in September as investors hope to wake from the summer slumber. Away from the markets, the latest data from the IHS Markit showed that Britain's manufacturing PMI fell to a 5-month low of 60.3 in August, just below July's 60.4. Ongoing supply chain issues continue to cause a slowdown in production, leading to higher input prices. Australia's economy expanded faster than expected in the second quarter, thanks largely due to a boost in household spending. Data released by the Australian Bureau of Statistics has shown that GDP advanced 0.7% in the 3 months to June. Economists had forecast a 0.4% gain. The results underscore the nation's impressive economic recovery from the pandemic, despite the threat of an outbreak of the Delta variant. Sydney is now in its 10th week of lockdown. The central bank has so far maintained that Australia's economy will bounce back rapidly, as it did in 2020. In other GDP news, Canada's economy unexpectedly contracted between April and June, raising questions about the resilience of the nation's recovery. Statistics Canada reported that gross domestic product fell 1.1% during the period, down from a revised 5.5% gain in the first 3 months of the year. Economists were anticipating growth of 2.5%. A sharp drop in exports and global supply chain disruptions have been cited as the reasons for the setback. The Bank of Montreal immediately cut their forecast for 2021 growth, while the Canadian dollar fell against the US dollar. Key findings from financial services firm Deloitte has revealed that Premier League clubs spent in excess of £1 billion on football player transfers this summer. The figure is 11% lower than what was spent in the previous summer's total of £1.3 billion. And it's the lowest figure since 2015. The biggest deal was Nikola Vlasic's £26.8 million move from CSKA Moscow to West Ham United. 22% of the 148 players signed up by the clubs were acquired on free transfers, up from 20% in the summer of 2020. Those are your main stories from London at close of business.